Hey friends, ready to trade in a simulated trading environment and earn some real rewards? If you need clarification about the minimum trading days, you're in for a revelation. Let's get straight into the details and clear up the confusion. We offer various account types, each with its unique set of rules. But today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect, the minimum trading days. It's all about assessing your consistency in the market. Let's break it down, shall we? First of all, let's understand what is a trading day. A trading day refers to a day when at least one trade is executed, opening or closing a position to participate in the market. Now, let's talk about the one-step account. Here, the minimum trading requirement is a swift 2 trading days. It's designed to keep things dynamic and efficient. And there you have it, friends. See you in the next video.